Aya, I despise my life. I will not live forever. Let me alone. My days have no meaning. What is mankind that you make so much of them, that you give them so much attention, that you examine them every morning and test them every moment? Now this job, unajua sasa, one of the things pia utagundua in this journey of spirituality is the more you see God, the more you realize as a human being, we si kitu, like you are as good as dead. That is why you will see when the Apostle Paul atakuja aseme kitu moja important sana. Aseme, I Paul, I died that Christ may live in me. What does this mean? In the eyes of God, you are like nothing. Yani wewe, nakwambia aje. Yani wewe tu kitu imekushikilia hapa ni the grace of God. And that is why each and every moment, hata unaonanga, hata that's why even unaonanga mtu akisema, why does a good God have to make us do this and that and that? Lakini unakuja kuona the real truth is the Lord doesn't owe you anything. Vile amekuumba iko poa. So if you want to draw closer to him and get the privilege, it is your decision, si yake. That is why kuna watu wataenda hell. Hii ni kitu moja yenye I came to accept it. It was really heavy because some time back I used to think maybe if we preach this gospel enough, maybe if we do the right